Hello everyone, welcome to another Monday.com tutorial. Now in this tutorial, I will show you, can you link boards in Monday.com? And if so, how can you do it? So yes, you can link boards in Monday.com. It is actually fairly simple to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, I have a couple of boards here, but I want to use this new board and I want to connect it with a payment board. So what I can do is I can go here and I can add a column. I can go to more columns right here. And here what I can do is I can pretty much say connect boards. And as you can see, we have connect boards here, connect data from other boards to, other boards. So we can click add to board. As you can see, now what we can do is we can select boards. So we select boards and we want to choose a board to connect. So we're connecting our new board here to the board right here, and I said I want to connect boards where it's payment. It says payment, right? So we can go here, click payment, and then we can click connect boards, right? As you can see, I selected payment right here, click connect boards. I can create a mirror column, right? The mirror column helps you reflect information from multiple boards, right? So you can do that, or you can just say I'll do it later. Now, once you have here, once you put basically something right here, right? You can, let's say, add payment for client name, right? And add a payment paid, right? From the payment board, right? So this way, you're basically connecting or linking two boards in Monday.com. Now, if you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.